to San Diego.
You already went to San Diego.
We did.
We did. So where are you going to go now? Hey,
San Diego.
are you going to go back to San Diego?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You liked it over there.
Yeah. And it's water slide.
There's water slides?
Yeah.
Did you go on them?
Yeah.
No, we didn't. You played in the water, though.
Yeah.
What else did you do?
Okay.
What else? What did you do in San Diego?
We got to play.
What else?
We got to missing. I was getting a Band-Aid.
A Band-Aid? Why do you want a Band-Aid?
Yes. No, Mom. I was getting, no, 'cause I need another one because my feet.
Why do you need a Band-Aid?
Yes. Mommy gave me one.
She did. Did you cut yourself?
Yeah. No, Mommy gave it on.
Mommy put it on?
Yeah.
How come, though?
Yeah, I was climbing on the toilet.
You were climbing on the toilet. Why?
Yeah.
Why were you climbing on the toilet? Tell me why you were climbing on the toilet.
Yeah, but I was on there.
Why were you on there?
Yeah, I was trying to get a Band-Aid.
On the toilet?
Yeah.
I don't think there were Band-Aids on the toilet.
Oh, in the cupboard.
Oh, you were trying to get to the cupboard, so you climbed on the toilet. Did you get one?
Yeah.
Yeah? What are you doing to your balloon? You're silly. Hyper girl.
Yeah.
I'll show you after. Say bye-bye, camera.
Bye-bye, Clara.